Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Today we are working on the Audi A4 what is it, Quattro turbo 1.8 turbo engine. We are going to replace the front end, basically this here. We're going to replace this here. We have a headlight for that side too. What else do I already did off camera. I already replaced the power steering. The fluid in it has water in it, just so you know. Actually, don't look bad now, but there is water in it, folks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace it. I'm gonna flush the power steering fluid again. I just wanted to get power steering fluid in it to make sure before I went back to the scrapyard that the power steering pump was fine. So we got that there fixed and it is okay. So we're gonna put this here on, which I have over here. I have the new radiator support beam, or whatever you want to call it. Well, that's what I call it, radiator support. Right here I have the new hood. Not new, it's not new, folks, but you know what I'm saying. It's new, it's in good shape. So we are going to replace that there. And you're probably saying, yeah, it's black though. Well, that's just it, folks. I think I'm going to paint this whole car black. Maybe I'm going to go a flatback black. I don't know yet, but it is going to get painted, because I want top dollar for this car. I want what it's worth, what I'm seeing them go for. That's what I want. So if I got to spend, all said and done, if I got to spend $2,000 to make $2,000, then so be it. That's how it goes, right? You know, they say you got to spend money to make money. So that's what I'm going to do. But anyways, with that said, we are going to get started tearing apart the front here to get the old one out and put the new one in. So let's go. All right, folks, so as you can see, we got the bumper off. We got the washer fluid out of the way. We got, I'm not sure what it's called, but we got it unplugged. We got this unplugged from this here. I think it's a coolant sensor, possibly. I could be wrong. I don't know. I think that's what it is. I think that's basically what that is, a coolant sensor. But anyways, we got that off. We got a lot to go yet, but we're getting there. We are getting there. So we're gonna keep on working at it. And next thing would be, I'm probably saying next thing is gonna be to drain the fluids, possibly. I'm thinking that's the next step, drain the fluids and then start taking the coolant system apart, right? And basically just take it right off this before I put it back on the car. Take it right off this and put it right onto the other one. So we'll probably get the other one out here and do it that way. And as I say, I got my nephew here with me, if you didn't notice, but he's got his little camera going there that I helped him out with the stick that I started off with.
I'm stealing his content.
Yeah. Yeah. So he's got his own YouTube channel. Anybody, if you want to check him out, what is it? Elder Link?
Elder Link.
You want to spell that for people?
ELDERLYNK.
There you go. So if you want to check him out, his content, he was doing video games, was it?
Yeah, video games.
And now he's trying to copy me. Anyways, anyways, let's keep going. All right, folks, so we're a little farther in. I know I never did no time lapse yet for this here, but we're a little farther in. Next step is I got to drain the, I could be wrong, you correct me if I'm wrong, but comment below and correct me. Transmission fluid, I believe, or whatever it is, whatever this here is here that comes down, and it's got this little condenser here. Basically I gotta drain it. See here, you got like a little coil comes around too. I gotta drain that there and then drain this here. Now I'm saying transmission fluid, I may be wrong. It may be coolant for the engine, like the oil. Yeah, I'm not sure. This is a big project. but I am getting it done, folks. You just give me some time. I will put this car back together and have it looking good. We got some minor damage right here that I'm going to straighten out. I don't think it's that bad. I think, you know, I think I can fix it pretty easily. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll find out. It should be all right. It shouldn't be that bad. I meant to take a picture when I was at the scrapyard at the other one, just to see, because basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give it a little pull, right? Give it a little pull on that and see if I can't pull it straight, straight out and up. But anyways, that's what we're working on now. He's getting tired, but it's going. It's going. It's taking some time, but it's going. So we're gonna keep going. We'll get this done, get this off, get everything back on that one, and then we'll go from there. Put it all back together, and hopefully, well, once I get it all back together, I'm gonna run to the store to get coolant, and whether this is transmission fluid or engine oil, either or, whatever one it is, we'll be getting that too. So let's get this off. All right, folks, so we finally got that off after what, 35 minutes, 40 minutes?
Yeah, 35, 40 minutes.
Yeah, like that was on there very, very fucking, excuse my language, very, very good. But we got it off, finally got it off. We managed to get minor to no spill on the ground. I'm not gonna lie, I did get a little, right? Not enough that you can cry over. I know the rules of how much you can spill without having to report it. Trust me, I took my transport of dangerous goods, and I know that is not enough to complain about. So with that said, anybody out there that's trying to do something to you know, just cause problems for me, don't waste your time, because you're just going to look like an idiot. But other than that, we got it off. Now we just got to get the radiator off that there one onto this one. We already got the fans on there. I just need to go get tie wrap, because right here it needs a tie wrap, and that tie wrap's right there. This one's already got one. That one buckles in there. It don't even matter if that one goes proper, as long as the other one's there. We gotta change out a couple of things, like these sensors. Gonna change them out, put mine on there, because I have mine right. I have one right here, right there, and the other one is where? Is it on this one still? No, no, we took it off. We took it off. What did we do with it? Are they both there? I don't know. There's summers around here, folks. We'll figure it out. The heat is really getting to me. He's not very helpful.
I'm trying.
So, you know, I'm basically taking longer than it should, but we're getting it. I don't know where. Is it in your pocket? Did I tell you to put it in your pocket?
The 2 screws that are on each end.
Okay. Yeah, but I don't know. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Did I tell you to put it over here? What did I tell you to do with it? I don't know. I'm not going to worry about it right at the moment. I don't know what I told you to do with it. Anyways. But anyways, we're getting there. So, we are trying to get this done. I need to take a break for a second. I need to go get the twist tie I was talking about. I need to go get a normal cup. First time he brought me out a cup that was so big it was dripping down the sides of my cheeks when I take a drink. Then he takes me out one gulp and it's gone. Just picking on him, right? It's a joke, right? No big deal. Just means that I gotta run back and forth more times. That's all. But anyways, with that said, we're gonna cut the bull crap, get back to work. I'm gonna go get a drink, get some stuff. We'll get her done. Then we are going to put this back together, and I'll probably, you know, like I'll probably just put everything back together. And I won't worry about the fluids today. I'll probably just take a break from this because the heat is getting to me. But we'll see. See if we can't get this all in one video, get this thing fired back up and good to go. So with that said, let's keep going. All right, guys, so we had to jump in the truck. We're gonna head here and grab the power steering fluid, the coolant, and I'm also gonna grab, wife wanted me to grab some stuff for supper. We got stuff at home. I'm just gonna grab some salad and get a couple other things right quick, and then we'll head back. We already put the radiator back on the new radiator support, and we got it ready. Basically, we're gonna slap it back together pretty quick. So, you know, it's always easier putting it back together than it is taking it apart, because, you know, you don't have to worry about anything leaking all over the place, or, you know what I mean? Now it's the point of putting it back together and checking to see if there's any leaks. Okay. So anyways, folks, we got the stuff. We got the coolant. I'm gonna get all kinds of it to make sure I have enough, and then the power steering fluid, which that should be enough. Hopefully that'll cover it. We'll head back to the house. We'll see you when we get there. All right, folks, so it's getting late at night. I ran into some difficulties with this car. I got a couple things that are kind of got me, you know, in a pickle. So say, not really, but a couple of things. We did get the hood on, if you're wondering. Then we had the issue of the cable wouldn't release the hood, and it fell off because maybe I didn't have it on right. I don't know exactly what the case is. It is on. Plus, then I broke a bolt on the radiator, which I know you're probably gonna say, you dumbass, right? Excuse my language, but basically that's what I feel like right now, is basically just holy, you know, like if nothing else could go wrong. But you know, here's where I am at, folks. Okay, this is where I am at. Is I got the hood on, I got the old stuff off, I got the new one on. Tomorrow's another day. I'm not gonna sweat that, you know. So here's another day of working on this Audi to get it to where it needs to be. Couple things I noticed is right now we got it sitting low here, but it's not even bolted completely up. So, you know, there's a lot of things that are pushing that down right now, and that could have caused it for the thing. And here you got it, it's down too. It is down a little more on this side, because I noticed here that where it got pucked, right, it's going to throw it off a little more. So yes, it is going to be a little out, but I will fix it over time, get that there. Like I said, it's getting late. I'm not going to spend all night working on this thing as much as I like to right now, because now is the time where the heat isn't bothering me. I mean, we took a lot of time and basically took a break for a long time because it was just too hot to work.
Yeah, it was just too
right?
hot to work.
It was just too hot to work. So now we're at the point now where it's like, you know, it isn't enough for a day. Anyways, with that said, thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget, give it that thumbs up. And if you're interested in the rest of this build, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.